the reason why we developed the action camera with a wireless microphone, because as a vlogging camera, sometimes as a traveler, if they go to some delicious restaurant, very famous maybe in Paris or Barcelona, in the public restaurant, if you want to vlog, you have to speak loud. And even you use a very good external microphone, you still have to develop action camera with a wireless microphone, because as a vlogging camera, sometimes as a traveler, they go to some delicious restaurant, very famous maybe in Paris or Barcelona. In the public restaurant, if you want to vlog, you have to speak loud. Even use a very good external microphone. Action camera because as a vlogging camera, sometimes as a traveler, they go to some delicious restaurant, very famous maybe in Paris or Barcelona. In the public restaurant, to talk loudly. And it's not so impolite. Maybe you will bother other people. So, but with the wireless microphone, you even can speak like this. Nobody can hear you what you are saying, but it still can record in some what you feel right now. Yeah, after I test, the hotpot is really spicy, but a little bit too salty. Their beef is good, their seafood is good, and later I will eat their noodles, and because hotpot you will feel very spicy, so they give you such a big iced tea. That's really good. And thanks to my assistant, she's still cooking some beef for me. Later, I will eat loudly, because when I see some TV show about introducing delicious food, they will recording some sound about it make me feel very good appetite. Bon appetit. Too spicy. Right now, I'm trying to lose some weight. So I can eat a lot of hotpot, but I cannot eat any carbohydrate, like noodles, rice, or pizza.